This is a SolidWorks exercise in which we are going to create this object in SolidWorks using different features like sketch and constraints like horizontal constraint, concentric constraint and dimension. So we will start it from creating a new part. So keep watching the video in order to make this part. Create that part, we first create the sketch on the front plane. Click on the front plane, create sketch. Now create a circle. If you press and hold the right click, it will show you some commands like uh, circle, rectangle, line, and dimension. So we'll create a circle. The dimension of the circle 160 mm. Extrude that circle up to 30. Again, create a sketch on this plane. Normal to create an arc, 3-point arc. If you see, this is a 3-point arc. Create a center line up to the center. Click on this line and make this vertical. So convert this as construction entity. The radius of this arc is 70 and distance from this point up to the center line is 35. So you see sketch is fully defined. Right click. Now convert entities of this circle. Entities are converted, trim away the extra lines, make an extruded cut all the way up to the end. So create another sketch on this plane. Create a rectangle. From this toolbar, select rectangle and then 2-point rectangle. So create a rectangle like this. After that, you can define this distance from this line up to this center is 75. Extruded cut up to last. After the extruded cut is created, click on the newly created extruded cut and the right plane. And press the control and press the control key. So press select the mirror command and it will automatically select the feature which is to be mirrored across the right plane. So after that we need to make two extruded cut circles. So create sketch on this plane, normal to create circle. The midpoint of the circle and the origin are horizontal. Distance from center of the circle to the origin is 35 and the diameter of the circle is 20. Make extruded cut up to the last. Similarly, select the extruded cut and the right plane. Use the command mirror. It will automatically select the right plane as the mirror plane and extruded cut as the feature to be mirrored. After that, we have to create a slot. Create sketch on this plane. Now we need to create a slot. The slot is center slot. Create this. The center is from here. Slot, center slot. Again create slot, center slot, like this. So The radius of this circle is 50 and this circle is 65. Create two center lines from here up to this center and here up to this center. Again another center line from here up to this center. Control select all these lines and make them construction. Select this line and make this perpendicular. The angle, select this line and again this line. Make them symmetric. Symmetric isn't available, so because all lines are the construction. Angle from this line up to this line is 30 and it determines the angle from this line up to this line because this is a center slot. Make an extruded cut. After that we have to create a circle on this plane. The diameter of the circle is 70. Extrude it up to the dimension of 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30. So the circle is created. Now create sketch on this plane. Create a circle with the diameter of 50. Create an extruded cut. Extruded cut. The dimensions of the extruded cut 55. 55. So make a fillet of radius 10 on this face. So almost the drawing is created. We have to make a chamfer here. It's 5 cross 45 degree. So press enter and all the part is created. You can save the part to your desired location and you can comment any question about any command in SolidWorks that is causing disturbance or you didn't understand how I created. Thank you so much.